Good morning, children. Hope all are doing good. Alright. Are you not getting bored looking at me all the time? I know you love me a lot. Thank you, children. Okay. So today what are we going to learn? We are going to learn your term 2 book. We are going to start your term 2 book. The very first chapter in your math. What is that? Numbers up to 100. Now in your previous chapters, you learned till numbers up to 10. Okay, now in this we are going to learn the numbers up to 100. Now if you can remember, children, the very first class I have taken on number names, if I am right. Yes, so I hope you understood how to write the number names. Number names are nothing but the number what we are speaking out, we are writing in terms of words. Those are nothing but the number names. And also I have said you, if you are very perfect with the spellings from 1 to 10 and 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 till 100, it is very easy for you to write the number names. Okay, so in this textbook till page number 53, you have number names. So you can write the number names on your own. Before writing, you have to learn thoroughly the spellings of 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. Then only you will be able to write all the number names very easily, children. Okay, alright. Now let us move on to the next concept. Now from your page 54, you have how many? How many? There are word problems they gave, count and write. It means you have to fill up ones place value as well as the tens place value. Okay, so they are given tens and ones. So you have to write which number or which digit comes in ones and which digit comes in tens. Now see a question, already the first one they have done for you. 7 baskets of 10 apples, each and 6 more apples. Now this is 7 baskets of 10 apples. It means, what do you see? 10 apples of 7. It means 7 where we have to write in tens or ones in tens. And leftover number, what is that? 6 in ones. Simple it is. Now see, 5 collections of 10 leaves each and 1 more leaf. 5 collections of 10 leaves. It's a bunch. 10 is nothing but bunch or a bundle. Okay. So 5 collections of 10. It means like 5 is in which place? Tens place. And 1 is in ones place. So you can fill it up the other 2 questions, children. Okay. Next, coming to your page 55. They have given you to write the missing numbers. So you know how to write the missing numbers because you are very smart enough. You know the numbers, right? And you also need to write the number names. You have to rate the number names. For that number names, you have to write the numbers. And there you have given a number grid. There is a given number grid also 1 to 100. You have to fill up the empty boxes. Okay, children. Next, your page number 56, you have count backwards. Already you learnt your counting backwards, not from the front, children. I have 100. So I am counting back. 100, 99, 98, 97. You are counting backwards and you are writing. Next, write the correct numbers before, between, after. These numbers you know very well. Already you learnt in your first chapter. But that is for the 1 digit. But for the 2 digits, I will just teach you simple logic, children. Now, you have to write before and after of the given numbers. See, before 2, you know what it comes? 1, it's very easy. Now, coming to 84. Now, we need to write the number that comes before 84. Whenever you are writing before number, children, you first observe what is the number in the ones place. What is the number in the ones place? What are these places? Did I taught you? No. Let us see. Now we have tens and ones. Tens and ones. The last is 1. Suppose if I have 75. So what is the number in ones place? 5. What is the number in tens place? 7. So this comes for the 2 digit numbers. Okay. So for the 2 digit numbers, if you have to write before or after, I will teach you one simple logic, children. Just observe the number or the digit that is in the ones place. What is the digit in the ones place 4. This tens place 8. So whatever the tens place is there, I will write as it is. Okay. Now what comes before 4 children? 3. So what is coming before 84? 83. Is it not simple? So only you have to check the number that is in the ones digit to write before and after. For after number it is very easy for you to write it down. But before only you will be a bit confused, you know. So first you observe what is the digit in the ones place. Very simple, because from 1 to 10 you know which numbers comes before very easily. Am I right? So for 2-digit numbers, to write a before number, just see that the last digit. What is the last digit of that number? If you just think over it, you will get for that. Even if it is a 3-digit or 4-digit, how many ever digits it has, first you need to underline the digit that's in the ones place value. Then think about what comes before that particular number which is in ones place value. Okay, let us see. If I have 98, I have to write before number. Now 9 as it is, I will write. Now what comes before 8? 7. So what is the number that comes before 98? 97. Is it not easy, children? Very good. So that is about your between. As usual, you can write simply or filling up the box that is in between of the two numbers. After numbers are very easy. After 83, 84. The number comes the next to that is nothing but the after number. So that is about your page 56. Now you have page 57. You have to see the number of beads in the given abacus. Very easy, children. See. They have given you an abacus, alright? Okay, this is tens and this is ones. So I'm just drawing few beads on this, children. Now simply you have to form the number by counting the beads. Always you should count the beads from the last, that is from the ones place. How many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright, and how many are here? 3. So what is the number? 35. Simple it is. You are going to count the beads and you are going to write the number. That's it. And if they have given you a number and you have to draw the beads. Suppose I have say 76. Now I have to draw the bead. So what is the ones place value? 6. On the last stick you have to draw 6 beads. And on the first one you have to draw 7 beads. 5, 6, 7. That's it. So the first stick is for the tens one and the last one is for the ones place value. So the last digit 6, you will be doing it 6 beads and here 7 beads. That's about it. Very easy. Your page number 57. Now coming to 58. You have ascending and descending orders. So you have to write less than or greater than or equal to. This one also you have learned in your first chapter of your term 1, children. Now here you are comparing two digits. Now here also the same formula we will use. Like what is the formula we have used in writing before after number? We are going to use the same over here. What is that? Let us see. Now I have 76 and 70. Okay, I take the other number 73. Now we need to make it. Is it 76 greater or 73 greater? Now here when two digits are given, listen children, first see 7, 7 are same. When two numbers are same, it is tough for us to check whether it is greater or smaller. So we will compare the next two digits. What are those? 6 and 3. Now tell me children, is it 6 greater than 3 or less than 3? It is greater than 3. It means 76 is greater than 73. So when you will compare the numbers in the ones place, when the digits in the tens place are same. Okay, here 7 I have, here also 7. So then when first numbers are same, we are comparing the second digits. Okay, now let us see. 93, 84. We have 93 and digit in the tens place. What are the digits in tens place? 9 and 8. Now tell me, 9 is greater than 8 or less than 8? Greater than 8. Therefore, 93 is greater than 84. So in the tens place, if you have same digits, you have to compare the digits that are in ones place value. Okay, if in the digits in the tens place are different, it is very easy to check it out which is greater and which is the smaller one. So this is the formula that you apply when you are doing the or when you are comparing the numbers. Okay children, now let us take the other example. I write here 3 numbers and let us discuss whether they are greater or less than. 86, 90, 16, 16. And let us take the other number 78, 28. Alright, now you have here 3 questions. Now first one is 86 and 90. What is the symbol I need to write? Now check out first digits. What are there? 8 and 9. Both are different. They are not same. Okay. Now tell me, 8 is less than 9 or greater than 9? Less than 9. Therefore 86 is less than 90. See, is this not like a crocodile mouth? Crocodile mouth in a V shape opens. So always the crocodile mouth opens towards the greater value. Always a crocodile mouth opens towards the greater value. Why? Because it gets more food. Am I right? Okay. So 8 is less than 9. Therefore 86 is less than 90. Now coming here, 16, 16. Both are same. So what is the symbol you are going to write? Equal to. Okay. Next, 78, 28. Now let us underline the first digit. 7, 2. Now 7 is greater than 2 or less than 2? Greater than 2. Therefore 78 is greater than 28. Okay, let us observe the next example also children. 87 and 80. Now the first digits are same. The first digits are same. So when the first digits are same, what did I say? We will compare the second digit, that is in the ones place value. Now 7, 0. Now is 7 greater than 0 or less than 0? Greater than 0. Very good. You are like as smart as me. So 87 is greater than 80. Got it? This is how you compare the two numbers. Now if we have many numbers, how to compare? Let us discuss that also. Now you have a bunch of numbers that you have to arrange it in ascending and descending order. Ascending order, small to big. So first you will be writing the smallest number, the next smaller, the next smaller. So smaller to bigger number is nothing but ascending order. Opposite of ascending order is descending order, that is big to small. Small to big, ascending, that is increasing order. Big to small, descending. Okay, small to big, ascending, big to small, descending. Got it children? Increasing order, decreasing order. Okay, now let us see, we have 20, 5, 32, 12. We have 4 numbers over here. We know as usual always single digit is less than the 2-digit number. Am I right? So first 5 we write it here. You strike out the number that you have written children so that there will be no confusion for you. Okay. So first smallest is 5. Now we have 20, 32, 12. 2 digits we have. So I have said you, when you have such 2-digit numbers, first you compare the digit that is a tens place value. Now underline the digits that are in tens place value children. 2, 3, 1. 2, 3, 1. Alright, so did you underline the digit that is in tens place value? Now tell me, from 2, 3, 1, which is the smaller one? 1. So what is the number? 12. Now I have written 12. I strike out 12 because already I have listed out. Okay. Next left over with 20 and 32. So what are the digits that I have underlined? 2 and 3. Alright. 2. It means I have arranged all the 4 numbers. Yes. Why I am asking you to strike out the numbers, children? Because while you are arranging the numbers in ascending or descending order, you can make it sure enough that you have arranged all the numbers with no number left over. That's why when you strike it off, you will come to know, yes, I have arranged all the numbers in the given order. This is how you will arrange the numbers in ascending order. Let us look into another example, children. So we have 54, 29, 68 and 20. Now, whenever you have a problem, whenever you have a bunch of numbers, first what did I ask you to do? I asked you to underline the digit in tens place value. 1, here 2, here 6, here 2. Okay, children. Now we are arranging in ascending. Ascending in the sense small to big. Now here I have 2 numbers that are starting with 2. Am I right? So if we see 5, 2, 6, 2, which is the smallest number, children? 2. But here we have 2 numbers that are starting with number 2. So when we have 2 numbers starting with the same digit, what are we going to do? We are going to compare the next digit. That is the digit in the ones place. So here 9 and 0. Which is smaller, children? Is it 9 smaller or 0 smaller? 0. It means should I write 20 first or 29? Very good. 20. Then I am striking out 20. The next 29. I am striking out 29 also. I am left over with 54 and 60. Now what are the digits that I have underlined in the tens place? 5 and 6. Got it? Now which is smaller? Is it 5 smaller or 6 smaller? 5. Now 54. I have strike it out. Left over is 68. Finished. Now did I arrange all the 4 numbers? I am done with that. Yes, this is how you will arrange it in ascending order. Now descending order, the same formula from bigger to smaller. Now let us discuss one problem in descending order. Okay, now 16, 80, 35, 22. Same. I have a bunch of numbers. I have to arrange it in descending order, that is bigger to smaller. Now first, what is the first job you have to do? You have to underline the digit in tens place. That is the first number. Alright. Now here 1, 8, 3, 2. So I have underlined the digits. Now from these 4 digits, all are different? Yes. There is no numbers that are same? Yes. Now which is a greater number in this, children? Very good. 8. So I will be writing 80 first and striking it out. Because we are arranging it now with descending order. After 8, which is a bigger number? 3. So 35. I am striking it out. After 3, which is a bigger number? 2. That is 22. I am striking it out. Left over is 16. Is it not from bigger to smaller, children? This is the descending order. Got it? So this is how you will arrange it in ascending and descending order. Okay, children. In the next class, we will discuss about your cardinal and ordinal numbers. Okay, children. Bye for today.